Two major Connecticut hospitals are cutting transgender care programs for patients under the age of 19. Yale New Haven Health said it is ending the medication treatment portion of its gender care unit.
Connecticut Children's Medical Center said it is winding down its gender care program. News 8 political reporter Mike Cerulli has much more on this. Mike.
Good evening to you, Dennis and Ann. Yale New Haven Health was explicit in their explanation for why they're doing this pullback. Connecticut Children's behind me here, less so, but the moves both come just months after President Trump issued a sort of ultimatum via executive order saying either end your youth transgender care programs or risk losing your federal funding.
They're cowards, and they're throwing children like mine, children all across Connecticut, under the bus.
Dawn Ennis didn't mince words when reacting to the moves by Yale New Haven and Connecticut Children's. Dawn is transgender, and so is her daughter.
She needs gender-affirming care. She needs hormones. She needs support.
She says her daughter's treatment at a Hamden clinic won't be interrupted, but for other families, it's a different story. For them, Dawn said, today has been filled with confusion and outrage.
I thought this was a blue bubble. I thought we were safe here. But it turns out when it comes to money, nobody's safe.
The presidential actions that triggered the moves by the two Connecticut hospitals came after years of advocacy by leaders like Peter Wolfgang, the head of the Conservative Family Institute of Connecticut.
It's a good day for Connecticut and for common sense. Doing this to minors was always crazy. It's against common sense.
Wolfgang has waged his fight alongside people like Elle Palmer, a young woman who received gender care as a minor and came to regret it. She's shared her story with the Connecticut legislature earlier this year.
I was only on testosterone for 3 years. This effect is permanent.
Among Connecticut's politicians, reactions to the moves by Yale and Connecticut Children's were as polarized as the broader national debate over transgender rights. Republicans like the conservative state senator Rob Sampson applauded it, calling the decision a win for the fundamental truth that children deserve protection, not experimentation. Democrats expressed uniform disappointment with Governor Lamont vowing to double down.
When it comes to counseling and other support for these kids, that's going to continue and ramp up.
And Yale New Haven was clear in their statement that they will be continuing the mental health services for these patients. Connecticut Children's, again, less clear what exactly they mean when they said they're winding down their program. They also said when they announced this last night they would have no further comment at this time. Reporting live in Hartford tonight, Mike Cerulli, News 8.